we are at our home page. That is a lot of reading. If you are struggling with reading, this might be too much for you. And so I would like to show you a workaround so that you can get help with your reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 links down, at least in this page, there's going to be a Pages link. It's in blue over here on the left-hand side. If it's not that far down, it might be anywhere along here, but it starts with the letter P. So look for that P, and then you will find the pages. You will click on Pages, and it brings you right to your home page, your front page. Welcome to Art, my PCS Smartists, it says. And up here in the right-hand corner, there is an Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader helps you to read the page. You can click on the book to figure out what you'd like to do. If you would like to read it in your native language, you can scroll here and find your language. They have lots of languages. Ooh, let's look at Haitian Creole, and we're going to click on Document. So, check this out. Book, translate to Haitian Creole with a drop-down menu. By document, that's that next button right there that you can toggle on to make it turquoise. And then we are going to read this entire page. The play button is down here, but it's hard to see because I am in student view. Well, I can't use Haitian Creole for that. But at least you have it in the Haitian Creole language. So let's go back to English, which is where it's automatically set up. You still have to click on Document to read the whole document.
Welcome to Art, my PCSMA artists. Banner_art with Miss.jpg.
Ooh.
Welcome to Art with Miss Warner-Dubin. 5th grade art with Collier at Davis on Tuesday, from 2:05 to 2:50. If you are learning from home, this is where you start your specials time every week. Take 45 minutes to navigate the content, make your art, and upload it straight to Canvas. Tutorials coming soon. After you watch that video, hit the back arrow on your browser, and click on the Learn Art button to go to your modules, where you will find your art project of the week. At the bottom of each page, click Next to go on to the next task. When you are done, and there are no more next arrows, click Home in the upper left-hand corner of the screen to get back to this home page. Then you are done for the week. Miss WD is so excited to be your art teacher. Here's a short video to get to know her better. If Stream does not load the embedded video, you can watch it here. If the Stream video worked for you, and you'd rather follow Miss Warner-Dubin on Stream, please do. She will be saving many helpful videos from other art teachers and tech support staff on her Stream channel 20 to 21 My PCSMA Artists videos. If you prefer to follow Miss Warner-Dubin on YouTube, most of the art project content will be there, as well, saved as for kids to keep the content safe from inappropriate ads or comments, with interesting playlists created by other art teachers from all over the world.
So you get the idea. I probably went on a little bit too long. When you are done with the interactive reader, you click Exit, and you can look at the page again with all of the buttons. And there's a banner instead of reading the banner. And you'll know where to click here first, and so forth, so that you can find all of the stuff that you need. You can actually get it to read the buttons, so I'm going to see if I can update that so you'll know that it's got, in this particular page, Learn Art, then Art Times, then News Report, then Class Help, then Parent Page. But the Immersive Reader is just a great tool that you can use for any page or module. So let's check out the modules. And here we have the Immersive Reader again. Once again, we click the book, make sure we're in the right language, and click on Document. And then you can
Class
play.
overview in art. Welcome to the Art Online Learning Space.
So click the back arrow to exit, and any page that you're on will allow you to do that reader. Clicking next to go to the page after it, or clicking previous to go back to what you just saw. Hopefully the Immersive Reader really helps if you are a struggling reader or if you read best in another language. Thank you so much for watching this